We need a chair. Okay, here we have one more question. It says, suppose H is in the interior of right angle JAK. So what would that look like? Well, a right angle JAK. So let's draw that out. Right angle means it measures 90 degrees. That is roughly 90 degrees. It's my angle JAK. It says H is on the interior, which means it's a point somewhere inside of the angle, like that. And then it says we have an angle going through that. So I'm going to go ahead and draw. So notice now I have two angles. I have JAH up here and HAK down here. We're going to substitute the information they gave us. So they told us that JAH is 5x minus 4. I'm going to put that in here. And KAH is x plus 7. I'm going to put that in here. They want to find the measure of angle JAH. Well, I know that it's 5x minus 4, but they want an actual number, which means once again we have to go back to our geometry properties and use those to set up an equation and solve. We know that these two angles form a right angle together. So we know that whatever angle JAH is plus angle KAH, those are the two angles together, they're 90. Substitute the information we have. So we know that JAH is 5x minus 4. And we know KAH is x plus 7. So we substitute that information, and now we have an equation that we can solve to find x. Once we know x, we can go back and find the measure of angle JAH. So we start by combining our like terms. 5x and 1x together are 6x. Negative 4 plus 7 leaves me with positive 3, and those equal 90. We want to get x all alone, so we're going to move everything to the other side. We have a positive 3, a plus 3, so we do the opposite to move it and subtract 3 from both sides. We get 6x equals 87. And finally, we have 6 times x, so we do the opposite and divide both sides by 6. Okay, we get x is 14.5. Remember, this is not our answer. They didn't want to know what x was. They wanted to know what's the measure of angle JAH. But now that we have x, we can go back to our given information that JAH is equal to 5x minus 4. They told us that. Now that we know x is 14.5, we can put that right in and find out what the measure of our angle is. We have 5 times 14.5 minus 4. 5 times 14.5 is 72.5. Minus 4 leaves us with an answer of 68.5 for the measure JAH, and we have answered their question.